At this point, you can measure 12 volts. Between 50 and 75 is what we call the absorption charge. You understand that?
There's one thing unique in every set. The last set, the uniqueness about them is that they were the first set to, that's Solarpreneurship 15, to have their training in this new Ikeja Experience Center. Why the uniqueness of this set is that you're going to have the best celebration so far. So what I mean by the best celebration so far, I'm going to explain that. You know, all previous sets, after the training, we just do a regular graduation ceremony, right? You just come in here, one or two people come to talk, they give you a certificate.
What happens when it is doing child and people don't what happens?
That's the work of the child controller. We just finished. But there's always a upper set point and the lower set point.
But this time around, we are giving you premium treatment in the sense that the graduation is going to be celebrated in a hall, a separate hall, different from this, and it's going to be like an award ceremony. There's going to be a lot about it.
3 buzzer for Lighthouse.
I believe you know that when we say Lighthouse, we are not talking about the company. We are talking about you and I.
Yes.